Yeah, sure. People are waiting already. Thank you so much. Yes, bro. Everything is fine and good. What about you? What about you? Images. What I was looking for. I was looking for something. Mm, where was I? Let me just come on this as well. I was working on something oh, like very surprising for community members. It's like I am thinking of making it free, like, but let's see. Let's see. More I can charge is only a maintenance charge of it, but let's see, let's see. Now coming to the what do we have? Yes, sir. I said as expected. So at least we cleared this high and we failed to clear the high in Q. Very fucking beautiful thing is going to happen right now. Like, look at this. This was extremely bullish here. Okay, this was extremely bullish. And after being a bullish, even after any Q being bullish here, look at the candle, current 4-hour candle closing, the pairs closing. So this is one stage. And if we form this PSP, then that would be a two stage. So the strength switch happen, if strength switch happens here, we are going to get a good flush, and we are also in a premium, way more premium, and we generated a lot of liquidity down here. So this is a like one of the best scenario that can happen. By we are trading higher time frame continuations, but I can confirm you after only we get this 4-hour candle, a bearish closer, or this Kraken correlation holds. Until then, can't say anything, guys. Can't say anything. At least we need this 1-hour closer, here to look for anything. Currently, we are having this SMT, so let's see if that holds. It holds in NQ, and then we can push lower. What's up, guys? What's up? Anything else? Anything else? The low resistance, London lows here, Asian lows, beautiful. Literally, like we do have chance of pushing lower here, but I don't know. What are we having in 1 hour? When 1 hour, it's great here. Like when it comes to bullish, like when you look at the 1 hour, we are having this two stage here. So we can even look for these highs in ES and S&P being weaker. We are getting a bullish closure here and bearish closure in NQ. So we can look for these highs as well versus candle closes, or at least these 15-minute closes. But I'm not sure. Like I have to wait at least like this 15-minute. Okay. So this draw might get cleared after like once this 15-minute closes, until this 15-minute closes. So NQ is going to chop a little bit here as we are uh, getting that strength switch in. 15-minute and 1 hour bullish trend switch, like towards the bullish side. The As we haven't yet met this draw in NQ, sorry, ES. My bad. We put a story. Give me a second, guys. You know our plan on or else we get put only like noted. So what's up with the other assets here? Gold, gold, this is not mine. Original layer. What is it? Who made these layers, sir? I don't know. Okay, now to finish all layer. You, oh yeah, can we see? Yes, variables here. Micro here. Gold, 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 gold. What do you think? One stage, gold, if you look at it here, yes, have 15-minute changes of delivery. Yes, we do. We do have these 10-minute changes of delivery. And we have a free draw as well, which looks good, but I don't know if we are gonna get entry anywhere there. If at least more favorable gap, if we get a tax, we can try this. We can go. I don't know if we are gonna get that or not. Hopefully we are not going to get. I think we are not gonna get that. This here. War. What's up, okay, bro? This is not cold micros. That's cold futures. Hell no. I think I'm gonna miss it. Come on. Two, three, four, five, six. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Yes, it yes. Okay. You got that tab. Yeah, if you got to on. Let's see. We can get that for slower. You have a clean draw down here though. Lower. Early gas maybe. Whatever, but holding on it. No volume there. It's, yeah, it's having some mic problems going on. Yes, yes. What you guys think? Maybe even this whole period, let's see. What do we have here? We do have these here. We have these flows all the way down here. Hey, 15 minutes. We did trade a small shift. What's the what's this? Okay, we five minutes. As indexes are turning out, I think gold might also turn out fully clear. Maybe nice up with this. Okay, let's wait, guys. Let's wait for 10 a.m. now. There was good entry if you ask me, like in gold, but I don't know why it failed like happened. So that's within 10 minutes. Like we are getting reports out of nowhere here. So that is we have a clean view from here. Silver and gold. All that is it is level is as let's see. Yes, yes, it is. This level is on. we do have this track and correlation in here. Criminal as well. Let's see. These minutes. Let's wait for a second trade. Let's release on this. It's 72. What the fuck? The fuck? Not talking, bro. Not talking in YouTube. I was having my just waiting for better performance. I can't enter anything. I'm just watching it. Straight expansion. Nothing for me there. Straight expansion. Straight close. Discord में डिस्कॉर्ड में डिस्कॉर्ड में बोल रहा है हाँ हाँ डिस्कॉर्ड में आइए Sorry, bro. I forgot what the one I like. What I was telling is if this um, if this 1 minute when the price was here, if this 1 minute I would have given a changes of availability, we might have tried along here, but it's not happening because this if we would have got this changes of delivery, then it's nothing but this week is holding and we are getting a good expansion higher. So if we are not getting that, then look at the upper wick here in 15 minutes. This is very long and we are not going to. So basically, this candle is not supporting the expansion and we are going to just be in range. Not only this candle, if you look at the 5 minute and 1 hourly frame here, look at the hourly candle here. Look at the hourly candle, look at the wick here, very large, and we formed a very large wick in the upper direction as well. So this is not at all a expansion candle. It's again coming back in range, basically. So we have to just wait and watch what's going to happen on next candle. Just not to press this candle. Because these candles don't support the expansion candles. Look at here. It was totally invalidated. Like for now, if this is a good inversion, then we invalidated longs here. We should push lower. But I don't know. Like if we have another 4 minutes, anything can happen. We need to just wait and watch what's going on. Do we have anything in high time frame? It's, the only thing is we are in a premium and looks like we want to push lower. Due to the hourly, we might have this trend switch here. Then we might push lower. That's what's happening right now. But we are having that after clearing these highs, more safer. One that happen. We need some kind of tracking correlation to have a little good reversal and then trade. Still 3 minutes too many. Can't say anything. Like if we get this bullish again, then we have to stay with our direction again because we already have this information to clear. Yeah, this is kind of more confusing kind of candle. Not all good. Not at all good. Great. People might have entered like people can try using version, but I'm not a fan of this right now at this point situation because of this early candle. We can just come reach these lows and then come back and range again. So it's just wanna let it go and then watch what I can get more and further. Like, we have a lot of time. We have about 10 a.m. London lows are looking so cool to me, but have to wait. Yes, is flipping. What the fuck? What the fuck for? Action was good, but he entered at a long place. I can draw his tools. I think it's there. Look at the V-shaped recoveries. They're in gold. We can sort of that again. That's the name of them. Or, yeah. Or I'm putting gold though. Like, not really. It's closer and just remove it for a while, guys. And here, it's like we can get a good message. This can be set of delivery. Okay. So, um, it's really got here. So we need this practice. Thank you. Even I was looking in NQ, but I don't know if you'll get entry like put the name of an bro. It's like straight away from being lower. We need at least something like this. We opened in 10 of the name here. Close is bearish. Take this below. Retrace back and then give us a 10 zero flavor and then we can fix it. We need at least that to happen there. This 5 minutes, 10 zero delivery. Uh, okay. Okay. See. We got this 1 hour some kind of benefit here. Okay. And we need at least this 5 minute change instead of delivery to confirm that in our basically need this 5 minute change instead of delivery to confirm that of our manager. But we did invalidate this data here, so like with inversion. But I want this to have more confirmation of this grid. Cool. Cool tap that way value gap as well. Let's see. I don't want to see price push to this high again. If that happens, then I'm not switching to that. If that happens, I'm not switching to at least today. Loss in gold was so. Yeah, that's the reason I just marked it there. Look at the 3% of the week, very near to that. So even if it reaches here, then I have to wait for next candle to trade, next 30-minute candle to trade because again it invalidates because it eventually forms a very large wick and it's not going to expand anyway lower. So I have to just avoid it and then just for next 30 minutes candle to push lower. I just going around for previous 4 hour opening price here. Look at this guy. stage. So these two stages, but we already delivered. So okay, let's go. Let's go here. Change the set of level if that happens. Okay, gold. That's interesting. Gold is looking good. I don't know, like which should I say? Like NQ, gold, big confusing. Because NQ, even NQ and ES have a like better, what do you say, mm, drawdown here. Let's try NQ and ES here. Let's look to, let's it up. Then we'll change the set of level in 3 minutes and 1 minute as well. Opening go, we are just consolidating a little bit in gold. How is gold daily time frame looking like? Mm, Gold, that's okay. But we tapped into that daily trade value. I think that's a valid for us to enough look for short into. We are not getting that change in set of deliveries. Yes, so we are gonna wait. So we need this fair value gap to be tapped and give us a swing point there and then push lower, giving us this change in set of delivery. Something like this. That would be nice. Okay, oh, for the hot. This is five. If it comes like that, that would be like the 3 minute looks good, but I don't know if we can get that. We could see. We can. I'm gonna go break even. This look. I'm very big with that. What's that? And stream only today. So for even that, even I'm telling to safety, whatever is that. Like this is a good entry, but how it's going to play out or if it's going to get something out there. You said that humorously from the top. Lock in the lock in. How is this for this? You have the weapon. So this is gold. Like you can just chop me off. I'm just away like 20 points away. Like what's 6 points? I think 6 points away from just 6 points away from my entry. My SL is just 6 points away. Okay. You can just chop me out and then we're just holding it, whatever. The silver is fixed. Silver is fixed. On the gold to push same as well. Silver is pushing like hell. Silver is pushing, but gold is literally chopping around there. Should get a push lower as silver is pushing. Obviously, we haven't yet to liquidity like found liquidity in silver. Not be something like yes, okay. We even have 5 minutes chain instead of every. So what what are we waiting for? What for the Trump to say something on gold, bro? We reached our highest watching today, 19. So congratulations ourselves. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe to the channel, guys. You guys made it. Congratulations for us, for you. You guys made it like 19 watching for the first time. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Make sure to, like to subscribe as well. I come live every day here. These people join every day, most of them, at least 10 people watch me live, and some of them watch me live in Discord as well. हाँ का party भाई The hacker party, right? Once we reach this low, we go break even. Like once this low has been taken, we'll go break even on that. Uh, yeah, break even here. We push lower as as you guys know, that's how gold behaves a lot of things. But sometimes the gold can, take you out in a single candle. Like a lot of time break I hate my break evens a lot of times, like on a single candle. Let's hold. Let's hold it to the lows. Looking at the high time frame 30-minute candle, looks like we can get a pretty much good bearish candle, good expansion bearish candle here in gold. But looking at like overall condition of the gold, how it's going these days, we can just reverse from taking the low resistance, you know, low low hanging fruit there. Even that can happen. But sticking to these lows, let's see what do we focus on here so far. Maybe something is equal to in one kind of going to silver has to at least take these lows. Let's see. We can. Yeah, yeah, we can absolutely. But these lows, you know, like it's total complete of these low resistance liquidity, like this leg, and this is a little bit far away. So I thought, yeah, just to be safe, as soon as possible, that's a better way to go low. Go break even there. Okay, okay, yeah. What do we have here now? Push lower a little bit. If this low takes out, then it will be a little bit of problem for us, maybe. Or else if gold wants to push lower anyways, it's gonna push. Just give me a second, guys. Just don't want- maybe already reached out to our why what if we fail our to our okay. Okay, sir. Let's go. W's in the chat. W's in the chat. Even though we took a loss, small loss, like not a small loss, the normal, you know, usual loss, usual risk what we used to risk on. But gold printed today, guys. Gold printed. Gold beautifully printed today. Plan was good, but I only did a mistake in my. The only one rule I broke was I didn't wait for 10 a.m. That was the rule, and that was the only important rule I follow. And it did. But look at the beautiful shot delivery here. That's crazy. That's so nice. Anyone else taken this trade? Anyone else taken this trade? Let me open this. Or let me ask this to you guys. राहुल भाई एलियट क्या है बोला that was right so beautiful, beautiful. Keep in mind, guys, if you guys want to copy my trades, it on your own risk, obviously, but always allow two trades yourself. Like because this is my PA account, so I take two trades. up 1400 total. That's nice. That's nice. That's nice. And if I would have had a eval account, I might be trading 3 to 4 trades a day. So you know, yeah, 1400 a day. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. You made more than me actually. So if if I would have trading evals, I'll be taking 3 trades, 2 to 4 trades. If I would have trading E, I'll be taking 2 trades at least. Not at least, max 2 trades. At least 1 trade, that's obvious. Just allow yourself that much of risk. Okay. How much bro, we made 500 on today. Let's go. Let's fucking go. That's what I usually target for, isn't it? That's what I usually target for, isn't it? I literally made 800 on this trade, so I'm 500 right now. So why did I made 800? Because I didn't follow the 2 hour thing here. I was just targeting these few. So yeah, we hit a draw. Very, very fucking clean. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Both the loss and profits are on the same chart. If I would have waited for 10 years, how much to secure payoff? Another 1500, another 1500, another 1500. I didn't take trade on my another account because I obviously I can't trade gold over there. So yes, I just had to let it go. Let this trade go on another account. But it's fine. We are making it less in one account at least. That's that's fine. It's okay. It is our uh, let me post. Uh, lose. Let's put it here. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, guys. Analyst officer, definitely. I'm here to do that, bro. I share it. Just give me a second. Analysis of this trade. Okay, here we go. Let's start. So coming to the date, for this year overall, obviously we are bearish. No more my life. I did not even put it. What the fuck? Would have blown your account. Because I'm sure you might be entered with a heavy quantity, bro. First, bro. Because you are on your eval, so obviously you might have entered with a heavy quantity. Because 67 micros. Even I was at 8 micros, but 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 that's so fucking scary, bro. I would have ran here and there. If that happens to me. So yeah, coming to the like, hey, look at the thing here. Like, see guys, the only basic thing I always talk about range high and range low. Okay, let's ignore all of this shit here. Range high, range low. We have been ranging here instead of this range. Okay, and what did we do? We just manipulated on this high. So even though if you watch it here, range high. Make sure everything that's range high and range low. Look at the manipulation. We just manipulated here as well. After this, what do you see there? Comes to the 1 hour. Okay. So what I was looking for here was so we had I think 40 minute or I was looking for some kind of yeah 1 hour. So look at this. We have okay. So range high has been taken. Your 10 a.m. Okay. So I did take 6 a.m. trade instead of 6 a.m. But I lost it. You guys can see here. I did take a 6 a.m. trade, but I lost it. We had a clear drawdown here. Okay. So when I go to the 1 hour, I did lose on this trade right somewhere around here, and I lost it. I lost it. So the basic idea was to capture these loads at least. What we that's what we did there. And coming to the 30 minutes. So I would have waited for these manipulation before taking the 6 a.m. trade, but I didn't. And the important thing I missed there is I was entered at very ending timing of like the 6 a.m. was about to end, and I entered it, which is not good to do. And and we had a good manipulation up here. Okay, we had a closure, and we do even have a C2 here, C2 closure, basically. And I was looking for this 5 minute changing set of delivery, which we got. And I also said on stream that if the price reaches above here, 3 minutes, I was in 3 minutes actually. If price reaches here, then this total plan will get invalidated. So again, where did I enter? I entered on this change in state of delivery. So here, keeping my stops on the bodies actually a bit tighter there because I lost one thing, so I had to know make it that. With that, I entered somewhere around here. The plan was to enter at that change instead of delivery, but I thought I'll not get into that. So I entered it on here. We got a good flush lower. So yeah, this was a great idea. And to validate bullish, to validate bullish, uh, you know, bullish entries here, to invalidate bullish entries here was the range manipulation out of this range in both the assets and coming back with this V-shaped recovery and inverting this entire bullish favorable gap and look at the flush, look at the lower resistance liquidity we have here and this final. So this is a range low. Now this is not a range low, but we do have a high time frame favorable gap interesting here. So we have to be careful about that as well because the gold has been ranging a lot these days. So yeah, this was the trade. I think I think it will just come back and change again because of these fair value gaps here. So yeah, this we captured like pretty much most of here. That was the only good move which we would have captured, and we exited at a good, you know, good level because I would definitely I would have not uh, tolerated this pullback. So this is so frustrating. After a loss, definitely anyone would have fumbled on this. So it was a it was a good trade, good exit at one single move down, still the low resistance. What it is. That was nice. That was nice. We did good today, guys. How much we are up? 1,581. Cool. Made 500 today. That was so nice. And let me tell you guys, like if you are copying my trades, that's totally fine. You guys can copy, but do it on your own risk, manage your well risk management, and always allow two trades at least to take on live stream. So don't go on full on first trade. So just be careful about that. And because a lot of times I do lose the first trade and make it back on the second trade. Second trades are good because sometimes I wait a lot and get second trades well done. So yeah, make sure about that. What's the price? What's Yankee doing? Yeah. Oh, as expected. Even Yankee is better than here, bro. Yankee are a bit slower, crazy too slow here. Yeah, even Yankee are a bit too slower. That was so good. That was so good in Yankee. So good in Yankee too. I think we would have exited on a single candle here in Yankee. But whatever, money is money. Whether you make it on Yankee or gold, money is money. Let's go. And I guess, guys, soon, soon you guys are about to catch uh, AI bots in my server, which will signal inventories on totally based on GXT. I've been building it. I have been building it since 2 days. Let me just pretty much made a progress on that. Right now, it's private for our team members only. Like it will give a reason as well. That's if you guys want to decide whether you want to take that entry, like if you guys feel that everything is all set and then I'm going to punch my trade. So you guys can decide on yourself. Just don't punch it blindly. Just think about it and then decide. So yeah, this is how it should be. I'm trying to add a screenshots as well so that you guys can see it visually here and then consider it. But let's try. I think it's a bit of difficult to do that, but let's try. I'm gonna try. What's pulling back? Let's try, bro. Nothing. Nothing is in place. We'll try. We'll, we'll build this shit. This spot is like I thought this agent and I just I gave my mentorship for free. Now it has to solve him because that's what we do. Because this is like totally like time consuming. No, free, free break kind of thing. Let's see. Let's see. Like I'll definitely you know update it update regarding this on Instagram or anywhere, so that you guys can join, use it for a while and see like at least for testing. I'll definitely give it for some people. Um, And we have here, like Karna SMT we have here, and like Tato we have here, a lot of guys who used to where to what TV, when you watch TV, bro, you get it. So I'll definitely do that fraud, just to that agent for some people like Cement Tato and SMT, a lot of regular viewers that they once it looks like it's all set to use, then we might publish it probably, or else we might like. I think if it brings us a good win rate and good trades, I'll definitely I'll definitely make it usable for people, but I have to charge a maintenance at least because because it needs a server to run. I have to buy a server and it needs a subscription for some agents, AI agents. So I have to get a subscription for that as well. So I have to charge a little bit amount of fees. So okay. It's very bare minimum. Don't worry about that. It's gonna be expensive. Only for only for I might charge something, just to run this bot. Like I'll charge way less so that bot should run. Agent should run. That's it. Nothing goes in the bot. So yeah. Yes. See, because it's it will give you everything, not just buy or sell things. It will say you the reasons when it's happening and everything. Like I thought the agent entire model of my since morning. I was working on that. So morning in the sense Indian timing. I still night for you guys since night and yeah, it was so hectic. So it was so hectic to get bought because you can't explain agent how discretionary you're paying every trade daily. You have to these agents work, mechanically actually. So you have to teach it every single thing, how to tackle a consolidation, what is replacement, what is fair value gap, what is order block. You have to teach it from scratch. You're doing pretty well though. I'll let you know guys if it's done once it's done, definitely. And yeah, yes sir. That's it for today, guys. If any questions you guys have, or else we'll end the stream because we made our bread. We had a one winning trade, and that's all we are doing daily. We are not going to go for multiple trades. Buy the dip, buy the dip. Bro, I don't know, bro. I don't know. I don't know. I did trading rules. Like, it's a meme. Buy the dip, yeah, buy the dip. Yeah, yeah, I got you. What's oil doing? Let me check what's oil doing. Oil, oil, oil. Oil should be dumping hard, bro. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Alright, look at this low resistance there. It's not fooling at you, but crude oil is dumping hard. Crude oil will reach its usual price before the war, whatever was before the war. I think. They're consolidating. Like basically, we are in this range right now. Okay, the range right now. We have to clear these lows at least reach somewhere around these areas, and then shoot higher to clear all this. I don't know if we can push higher after this. We somewhere here and there, just from they're gonna get rich soon. It's like Bitcoin from 2008. Capitalize on it. Bro, you have to do nothing, bro. You just have to subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's support which I'll remember for life. Whoever does that right now, whoever does that right now, will definitely remember for life. Like, definitely remember you guys for life. Make sure to subscribe and also follow me on Instagram, guys. That too will help me a lot. I have to get active in Twitter as well because there is a real thing in Twitter. Real thing in Twitter. Gold, yes, sir. Next target should be 43, 10, 5. So we have to make another 1,500 to get our payoff. You have to make another 1500 to get up here. Simply we can target previously low, maybe. Yeah, previously low looks good in gold. So look at the beautiful delivery in gold from daily time frame, guys. What the fuck is that is? That is Beverly Gap, Beverly Gap. And we can capture it till the previous low, which obvious I think. 293. Even though if we don't reach it today, we'll definitely reach it tomorrow, maybe. Or else, for today, the safest zone to exit is might be the 3% of this risk. Yeah, where we are about to reach 323, 323, 323, somewhere around this area. That's a safe zone to exit, maybe. That be the safe area to exit. MNQ and ES were shit, obviously. Yeah, yeah. Are you telling shit or obvious? Or shit obvious? Look at the equal lows in MNQ. See, this was the time we should be waiting for actually. We fucked it on almost fucked it on Monday. So Monday is a kind of base for us to set up entire week. Yeah, yeah. Monday is kind of base for us to set an entire week. Look at this here. Monday kind of in range of this candle. Some kind of inside bar closure here. Creating this fair value gap for a tap and then reversing from there. If Tuesday reverses and closes fairish, then we can obviously look for these equal to whatever we left here. Here, these equal if it closes fairish, something like some kind of rejection candle there. So we can look for bearish again. You know, like something like this, two these lows. But tomorrow we could do next low is Tuesday, then set high of the week. Exactly, that's what I'm talking about. If this is the high, if this is the high of the week, then we can get a Wednesday, Thursday, push lower. And again, I can't say about Friday. Friday might be again. So, yeah, look at the lows here. So we have good lows. Until we reach Friday, we will reach instead of this gap. This will keep on pushing lower. Then we might not slow down a little bit here instead of this gap. So yeah, we are all set for Wednesday and Thursday. Let's see. Very nice delivery here. Let's see. Tuesday is setting high of the week. Classic expansion week. This might be where you know Tuesday will be the reversal, and then Wednesday, Thursday will be the expansion, and Friday might be a little slow depending on you know how the market condition is because Tuesday will be the C2 and Wednesday, Thursday will be the C3 and C4. So if we get a good expansion, then if we made a draw till then we might enter a new phase of price delivery and we can just slow down a little bit, which will occur on Friday. So this is how we frame our week. So, yeah, let's expect that to happen and get a good money out of it. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. I think we we are ending our stream pretty early. So yeah, I have to work on that other thing I was talking about. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow and take care. Make sure to hit the subscribe. It will help me a lot. Okay. Thank you guys. Bye.
can't escape, I can't escape. I'm in bad boy heaven tonight, tonight. Bad boy heaven tonight, and I can't escape, I can't escape. I'm in bad boy heaven tonight, tonight. 3 a.m. I'm sitting on your bed up in your sheets again. You look so pretty going down on me. You're so high, you think it's true love. That high. You can be my dirty little secret. Cross your heart, you'll keep it. 'Cause if not, you hope you die. I'm poison in your veins now, making your heart race now. Bad boy heaven tonight, tonight. Bad boy heaven tonight, and I can't escape, I can't escape. I'm in bad boy heaven tonight, tonight. Last night, type my bathroom eyes, twist the knife. I fantasize about you every single night. I'm tasting that got murder on my mind. I